So, what is a really good price to make an offer on a piece of rural vacant land, whether I'm buying the land for cash or I'm looking to go ahead and wholesale that particular land lot? A good rule of thumb to go ahead and stick to is roughly 25 cents on the dollar. So let me break that down even further. If you're looking to purchase or put a contract on rural vacant land, and that land, let's say for example, is valued at $40,000, you want to stick to an offer price at somewhere around $10,000, 25 cents on the dollar. This will allow you to assign that lot for a good profit. And if you're going to go ahead and purchase with cash using either your own money or partner's money, this will allow you enough of a cushion to go ahead and to resell that lot at a little bit of a discount so that you can sell it a little bit faster. 25 cents on the dollar. Now, some things are going to come into play, right? You're going to have to factor in competition as well. Some areas are more competitive than others. Some areas are a lot more hot than other areas in the United States. So if you're playing in Nevada, doesn't matter if it's in Nevada or California or Texas, North Carolina, Georgia, Utah, etc., etc. If you're dealing with rural vacant land, I would tell you to stick to an offer price at somewhere on average of about 25%. That means you have to understand your comps. You're going to have to understand your comparable sales. So if you're going after $10,000 lots, you're going to make offers at around $2,500. If you're going after $100,000 lots, you're going to make an offer at around 25 grand on average, which means you need to go ahead and play the numbers game. All right. What's your game? Is it cold calling? Is it direct mail? Some of you are text blasting. I don't do that. However, you're going to have to go ahead and understand what your numbers are. And just make sure if you're at around 25 cents on the dollar, 25%, you're good to go. All right. This will allow you a good offer price and an exit strategy. Are you going to get no's? You're going to get no's. This is why a good portion of experienced investors go ahead and go with direct mail. Direct mail is an extremely powerful way to go ahead and to assign or wholesale vacant land. Also, if you're going to go ahead and deal with cash, deal with cash. But you're just going to have to know your numbers and then know your competition. You know, is it a really hot area? Is it a really competitive area? If it's a really competitive and you're not getting signed offers back, then oftentimes, 9 times out of 10, it's price. You'd offer too low a price. And so just go ahead, utilize that in your vacant land investing business, okay? If y'all found value in this video, please click the like button, share it with family and friends. Also, if you're interested in a free training of learning how to buy land for low monthly payments, check out the link below. You all take care. Have a good one.